Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we reset guys internet setting in our Tecno phone. Guys you want to reset guys your internet setting in your Tecno phone. So then how can you reset in this video friends? I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video friends. So it's now time to start video friends. First of all guys we will on our phone setting to reset our phone internet setting guys. So we will on our phone setting, then guys scroll it. Let's click on guys your system setting tab here. Let's click on your reset option. Let's click on your reset first one setting. Let's click here reset setting. Guys draw your pattern. You have any pattern lock and guys you have any password. So guys enter your password. Click on reset setting. So you can see guys network setting has been reset, means your internet setting has been reset in your Tecno mobile, and guys you can use your internet setting without any problem guys. So like that guys, you want to reset your internet setting, you can reset in your Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Before going please go and like the video. Bye friends.